My son Rudra Desai is 4 years old, and he is having a tonsils and another problem, where due to which he used to get illness every 10 to 15 days with the high fever. I have consulted Dr. Yatri, and after that, with his medication, his illness has been controlled and his immune system has been increased. Nowadays, he don't get fever regularly. If he get fever, that is also two once in a 2 months or a 3 months, and his cough and cold is also being reduced. Still, he has a tonsil problem, but I recommend that with the help of homeopathy, his tonsil also can be controllable, and he can fight with another problem. Uh, and this within 1 year, I got the result of homeopathy, and which is helpful to him in his regular activities. He can be a regular to the school, and he is doing well with the school.
Yes.
Of course.
So his clingy nature, which when he had come for the first time, was clinging on to you, didn't allow you to go to office.
That has been absolutely fine. He always tell me nowadays, "Bye, mama, come soon," and he is very much now he's adjusted with everything.
So he's become more independent.
Yes.
Great. And how do you see his attacks have reduced by how much percent? Would you say?
Like I can say it is reduced by 50 to 60%.
Great.
And he get fevers only 1%. Like in 3 months, you get 2 or 3 days fever, that to 10, 101 or something.
Okay.
Previously it was 3, and
Yes.
used to go by 2.5, 2.73, and I have to give him antibiotic every time.
Yes. So now
That has been reduced.
Yes. Great. Great. Thanks for sharing your experience.
Yeah, thank you, Yati.